Ladies and gentlemen, it's the father of freestyle, Grave Digger.
Hey, sir. Yeah, man, what's up? So, I've noticed, these trucks, they can do some really high jumps. It wouldn't be possible for them to say, leap into the audience. What? No, we have all kinds of safety measures in place to make sure something like that never happens. Are you sure? Because it really does seem like they could jump far enough off these ramps to reach us. Nonsense. We're as safe as we can be right here. Invisible walls? Yeah, I told you we'd be safe. We installed these things right before every Monster Jam event. Forgot to install one on that side though. Okay.